My mama's house. So many warm memories in the kitchen. The wonderful meals my mother and grandmother prepared for my sisters and me when we were little. The sounds, chopping, stirring, pots boiling on the stove, a wooden spoon scraping the sides of bowls. The smells wafting out to us playing in the yard. And then Mama's lilting voice. "Dinner's ready, girls. Come on in. Wash your hands." The sound of the oven door opening, and you always knew something wonderful was coming out. New from award-winning cook Brenda Kay, Mama's House, oh so good home cooking. Down-home recipes from her own childhood, from her mother's and grandmother's best-loved dishes. And always with a heaping portion of Mama's love.